Welcome everyone to my channel. So today we'll see how to solve the lowest common multiple using two simple numbers. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. So let's get started. So today I have two simple easy numbers and we're going to solve a simple LCM method using the prime factors for each. So the trick here is to take the disciples, that is using 60 and 45. So 60 and 45. So let's continue to divide the 60 and 45 using the prime digits, that is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Your prime digits are nothing but what is divisible by itself and 1. So let's starting digit, which is our prime number, is our 2. Let's start with 2. As you can see, 2 is divisible, 60 is divisible by 2, which is 30, while 45 is not divisible, so we'll keep it as it is. Okay, and similarly it goes with the 30 as well. 30 is divisible by 2, which is 50, and we're going to keep 45 as it is, as we still cannot divide 45 by 2. Now when you look at the multiples, we have 15 and 45, which is no longer divisible by 2. So we proceed with the next common prime factor, which is 3. So if we look on to 3, we have 3 which is divisible by 15, and 45 we have 15. So when we continue to divide this by 3, 3 is neither divisible by 3, we can just keep 5 as it is, and we can divide 15 by 5. Okay, now the next prime digit, since 3 is not divisible by 5, we go with the next prime digit, that is 5. So 5 ones are and 5 ones are. Therefore we landed with a single digit number. These are all the multiples. That means the lowest common multiple is nothing but your LCM, which means when you multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, you get the answer as 180. Okay, thank you.